Hi there, here we are with our patient Eric. Eric stopped by the office today. We did a maxed harvest procedure on him about 5 years ago.
You're taking over the counter, you're taking vitamins, you're probably rubbing chili on your head, you're trying to figure out what it is that'll stop. You're tired of washing your hands and watching hair fall out everywhere. That was me. Today, there's someone here that can help you fix it. I mean, I couldn't encourage you anymore.
Awesome. We just completely reframed his face for him. You'll see how this is kind of a straight line versus if you look at the befores, it was way up there. It's literally perfect. I mean, you can barely even freaking see that. Just awesome, man. It's like a tiny, tiny, tiny little line. Anyways, I really appreciate you doing the video. It came out freaking awesome, man. Congratulations.
Can't thank you enough.
Have a great